That's an orange palm tree. Whoa. Ooh, that blue ring. Oh, amazing. I love fireworks. I love fire. Do you like fireworks?
Yes.
Do you like fireworks?
Yes, I do.
Hey, let's make fireworks in the classroom. Well, let's go bang. Okay, it's just like, well, you'll see. I'm with both Andreas today.
Yeah.
So Andrea C, Andrea K. So how to make a firework, how to make a big bang in your classroom. First, you're gonna need a piece of paper. Can I have a piece of paper, please?
Can I have a piece of paper, please?
Yes, you can. There you go. One. Number
Thank
two.
you.
I'll take one, two. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper in half. Okay. Like this. This is just a regular A4 piece of paper. Okay. Good?
Yes.
Okay, once we're done, what we're going to do is we're going to decide, that's a big part of the lesson, what kind of firework we will make. I will make a blue triangle firework. And you, Andrea?
I will make a purple heart.
Oh, firework.
Firework.
Andrea C.
I will make a red circle firework.
Okay, a ring. We can call it
A ring, yeah,
ring.
sorry.
A red ring firework. Okay, let's get to it. So we made our fireworks now. I made 2 blue triangle fireworks. Okay, I made 2 blue triangles firework. And you, Andrea?
I made 2 red rings.
Firework.
Firework.
And you, Andrea?
I made 2 purple heart fireworks.
Excellent. Now, we're going to fold in the middle, like this, to hide the firework. Okay, good?
Yes.
Perfect. Now the tricky part. You have, let's call it the outside. So the outside here and the outside here, okay? And two corners on the inside. What's gonna happen is that we want this inside to move like this. Whoop, a bit tricky. Whoop, let me do it like that. So, haha. You guys already made it? They're really good. So look, you have the inside here. We're just gonna slide it. So it makes a shape like this. Okay? Yes, Andrea. Okay. And Andrea is not there yet. So the inside should look like this. So you're gonna get there. Wait. Okay, so this. There we go.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Let me show you again. So the inside here is free. You pinch the corner, the outside corner.
The outside corner.
But the middle part is free, okay? You can just, yeah, perfect. Is it completely free? Yes. And now what's gonna happen is that we're gonna pop it. It's gonna make a bang, okay? So, these parts just look at the ceiling. I'll do it first. Here comes a blue triangle firework. Be careful, I want to say, be careful!
Be careful, be careful!
Oh, that was a loud bang. That's actually very loud, okay? So try it before. Check that the teachers on the other side of the school are not gonna get angry. Okay, what else do we have? We have, here comes the red
ring firework.
Be careful!
Be careful!
Oh, that was a good bang. Excellent bang. What about Andrea's bang? Oh.
Here comes the 2 purple heart fireworks.
Wait!
No.
The little holes were not
No.
done Yeah, they gotta be near the floor because the air is gonna come in
of course.
and it's gonna pop. Okay, so and
be careful.
Oh, it didn't work. You can easily do it again. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. I'm sure it will work. You pinch, it's free, it looks down, okay? Just pinch it like this, yeah. And 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, well, it can't be a success all the time. I'm pretty sure Andrew will try again to succeed, but you guys get it. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.